Another big story we're on for you here at 5. One by one, potential jurors were questioned today for the murder trial of a former Fort Worth police officer. Attorneys for Aaron Dean have questioned if he can get a fair jury in Tarrant County. Jason Allen is live outside the courthouse in Fort Worth tonight with what we know at this hour. Hey, Jason.
Hi, Nicole. And with that question in mind, the court's really been working since early this morning. Very few breaks. They've been trying to get through and interview as many as 100 potential jurors. And that's been difficult because of all the attention on this case over the last few years. Every single one of those people who came in today had heard or read or seen something about it. And so they all initially faced the very same question from the judge. And that question was, from hearsay or otherwise, is there established in your mind such a conclusion as to the guilt or innocence of the defendant that would influence you in finding a verdict? And without hesitation today, some of those people, more than a dozen of them, immediately answered yes. A few of them waffled a little bit on answering it, and the judge in those cases took that as a yes, and those people were immediately dismissed from the case. The others said that they could treat this one fairly. Well, that then prompted some more questions from attorneys. It was clear that time in this case has made memories of what happened a little bit fuzzy. People often remembered the basics, but they were unsure of the specifics of the case, maybe mixing it up at times with facts from other officer-involved shootings. So most of those people, though, they will still be back here tomorrow, Nicole. They'll be joining about 100 or so additional people who said that they had not heard anything about this case.
Yeah. Jason, we know one thing that Dean's defense has really tried to do here is move this trial. Were they able to get enough folks for a jury? Can they get that solid 12?
It's getting there. It's getting close. I'd say there were about a half dozen or so people today who really received some extra attention, some extra questioning from attorneys on both sides. In those cases, the state really keyed in on wanting to make sure that that person was going to do the right thing and make sure that someone was only guilty if they were actually guilty. The defense, on the other hand, they wanted to make sure that those people could separate facts from emotion, from race, and also separate the facts in this case from other cases nationally where there were officer-involved shootings.
Sure, Jason, a high-profile case that we'll be watching. Thank you so much.